In this video, we will understand about application of adsorption. First is in preserving vacuum. Remember, in preserving vacuum, what happens is that you put activated charcoal wherever you have placed vacuum. You put activated charcoal. Suppose there are two walls, here it is said, placed between the walls of the flask, so that any gas which enters into the annular space during either due to glass imperfection or diffusion through gas is adsorbed. Means if any gas enters and the vacuum will be disturbed, then what is happened? Charcoal is there, charcoal will absorb that gas and their vacuum will be preserved. Easy. In gas mask, in lot of gas masks, suitable adsorbent are given so that the harmful substances are adsorbed and you get the pure oxygen. In clarification of sugar, sometimes there are colored substances in the sugar, put charcoal and the colored substances will be adsorbed. In chromatographic analysis, if you remember what is chromatography, suppose a lot of mixture of various dyes, suppose black coloring, blue coloring, red coloring ka mixture is there. You put filter paper inside that, and what will happen is cellulose paper if you put, slowly due to difference in their when they rise up through the paper, due to difference in their adsorption capacity, all the three will be separated, the black ink and blue blue ink and the red ink, in different positions, because they will rise, they will have different capillary action and they will rise according to their mass, but they will also be specifically adsorbed and will deposit in separate places of the strip. So that's why in chromatography adsorption is important. In catalysis, you know, enzymes have active site, and the the substrate or the compound that it will be converted, that ligates to the enzyme. Suppose this is the enzyme, this is the active site. Suppose this compound is to be converted into a separate compound, then these go and absorbed in the active site, and after that it gets converted. Remember, this is chemisorption. Okay, so in catalysis. In paint industry, in paints there are a lot of dissolved gases, okay, which gases can be absorbed by putting suitable adsorption inside it, which is the concept of primer. So okay, so this is one thing. And then in softening hard water, if you put certain things adsorbent in a hard water, the substances present in the hard water will be absorbed, the salts present, and it will convert into soft water. In removing moisture from air, moisture can also be removed from air by adsorption. Here are some conceptual questions. I request you to take the screenshot of these conceptual questions and read these questions. If you do not understand, then contact me.